My $50,000 Amazon product failed because I chose the wrong China supplier. That's a story we hear far too often from entrepreneurs and businesses trying to import from China. The truth is, sourcing products from China can be like navigating a minefield without a map. Language barriers, quality control issues, shipping complications, and the constant worry of getting scammed. But what if you had a trusted guide who knows the terrain? Since 2010, Yansourcing has been helping businesses just like yours import from China safely, efficiently, and profitably. Let me show you how we can transform your importing experience. As a leading sourcing agent based in Guangzhou, we offer comprehensive end-to-end solutions that take the guesswork out of importing. First, we help you find the perfect manufacturer for your product through our extensive network of verified suppliers across Guangzhou and Shenzhen. No more wondering if you're dealing with a factory or a middleman. Our bilingual specialists handle all negotiations in Mandarin, ensuring you get factory direct pricing that can save you 20–40% on landed costs. Quality control? That's our specialty. We conduct rigorous factory audits and in-house lab testing to ensure your products meet all specifications and standards before they ever leave China. From production management to shipping logistics, customs paperwork to warehousing, we handle every step of the process so you don't have to. Whether you're a startup launching your first product or an established business looking to optimize your supply chain, Yansourcing is your trusted partner in China. Don't let your import dream become a costly nightmare. Established in 2010, we've built our reputation on delivering results. Our Guangzhou location puts us at the heart of China's manufacturing ecosystem. We believe in true end-to-end service, not just connecting you with suppliers. Every client gets a dedicated bilingual specialist who understands your unique needs. Over the past 14 years, we've helped thousands of businesses succeed. Our clients consistently tell us we've transformed their importing experience. From electronics to toys, textiles to home goods, we source across all major categories. Our deep market knowledge comes from years of building relationships with manufacturers. We bridge the cultural gap that often leads to misunderstandings and failed partnerships. Our team speaks your language and theirs, ensuring nothing gets lost in translation. We eliminate the risk of working with unverified suppliers through our rigorous vetting process. Complete transparency means you always know exactly what's happening with your order. Our factory direct relationships and bulk shipping options deliver significant cost savings. What used to take months of back and forth now happens in weeks with our streamlined process. We offer flexible service tiers to match your budget and requirements. Our basic tier starts at just 3% commission for essential sourcing support. Pro tier includes comprehensive quality control and production oversight. Custom packages are tailored for unique projects requiring specialized attention. E-commerce sellers get specialized support including FBA prep and private labeling. Our design team creates compelling packaging that helps your products stand out. We ship worldwide with door-to-door service and real-time tracking. Our customs expertise ensures smooth clearance in your destination country. Free warehouse storage gives you flexibility in managing your inventory and cash flow. Consolidation services reduce shipping costs by combining orders from multiple suppliers. Our digital platform keeps you connected to your projects 24/7. Real-time updates mean you're never left wondering about your order status. We're not just a service provider, we're your long-term partner in China. As your business grows, we scale our support to match your evolving needs. Finding the right supplier in China feels impossible when you're facing thousands of options. How do you know if that supplier is legitimate or just another middleman with stolen photos? Our verified supplier network eliminates this guesswork completely. Over 14 years, we've built relationships with manufacturers who meet our strict standards. Every supplier in our network has passed our comprehensive on-site inspection. We assess their production capabilities, quality systems, and financial stability. Guangzhou is the epicenter of global manufacturing, and we know every district. From Shenzhen's electronics hub to Guangzhou's diverse manufacturing base. Electronics and gadgets, textiles and apparel, toys and consumer goods, home and garden products, industrial components, and custom-designed products. We start by understanding your exact product requirements, budget, and timeline. Our proprietary database matches you with suppliers who specialize in your product category. We verify business licenses, export credentials, and financial standing. Production capacity is thoroughly evaluated to ensure they can meet your volume requirements. Quality certifications are verified, not just claimed. Sample quality is rigorously tested before we recommend any supplier. Our Mandarin-speaking team negotiates directly with factory owners for the best possible pricing. We secure favorable payment terms, delivery schedules, and quality guarantees. By connecting you directly with factories, we eliminate middleman markups. You see exactly where every dollar goes in your product cost. We maintain long-term relationships with our suppliers, which benefits you with priority treatment. When issues arise, our established relationships ensure quick resolution. We provide market intelligence on pricing trends, new technologies, and emerging suppliers. This intelligence gives you a competitive edge in your market. Our supplier matching success rate exceeds 95% because we do the homework up front. Client satisfaction remains our top priority and best advertisement. Once we've matched you with the right supplier, our quality control process ensures excellence. Let me show you how we manage production from start to finish. Poor quality control has destroyed more import businesses than any other factor. That's why quality control isn't just a service for us, it's our obsession. Our factory audits begin before production even starts. We inspect equipment, verify certifications, and assess production capabilities. Safety protocols and working conditions must meet international standards. We verify compliance with environmental regulations and labor standards. Our in-house laboratory conducts comprehensive product testing. Material composition, durability, and safety are thoroughly analyzed. Functionality testing ensures products perform as specified. Safety standards. Compliance is verified for your target markets. Required certifications are obtained and documented. Once production begins, our team monitors every stage of manufacturing. We track milestones and ensure production stays on schedule. Initial production samples are inspected and approved before full production continues. Inline inspections catch problems early, preventing costly mistakes. Pre-shipment inspection is your final quality gate before products leave the factory. Detailed reports with photos and measurements give you complete visibility. When we identify issues, we work with the factory to implement immediate corrections. Corrective actions are implemented and verified before production continues. Complete documentation provides traceability for every batch and shipment. Compliance records are maintained for regulatory requirements and customer audits. We help optimize factory workflows to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Timeline management ensures your products are ready when you need them. Regular updates keep you informed throughout the entire production process. Photo documentation shows actual progress, not just promises. We identify and mitigate risks before they become problems. Contingency plans ensure your project stays on track, even when unexpected issues arise. Digital monitoring systems provide real-time visibility into production status. Automated reporting keeps you updated without constant manual communication. Our quality guarantee backs every product we help you source. Only products that pass our rigorous standards are approved for shipping. International shipping from China involves complex documentation, customs regulations, and logistics coordination. Yansourcing simplifies this complexity with our comprehensive logistics solutions. Our global shipping network reaches every major market worldwide. We offer multiple shipping options to match your timeline and budget requirements. Door-to-door service starts with pickup directly from the factory. Our consolidation centers combine orders from multiple suppliers to reduce shipping costs. We prepare all customs documentation to ensure smooth clearance at destination. Regulatory compliance is handled by our experienced customs specialists. Real-time tracking gives you complete visibility of your shipment's journey. Automated notifications keep you informed at every milestone. Free warehouse storage in China gives you flexibility in managing cash flow and inventory. Professional inventory management ensures your products are stored safely and shipped when needed. Consolidation allows you to combine orders from multiple suppliers into single shipments. This dramatically reduces per-unit shipping costs and simplifies customs clearance. Professional packaging protects your products during international transit. Custom labeling ensures your products are market-ready upon arrival. Amazon FBA prep services get your products ready for direct shipment to Amazon warehouses. E-commerce optimization includes packaging design and product photography services. Comprehensive cargo insurance protects your investment during transit. Proper packaging and handling minimize the risk of damage or loss. We coordinate delivery to your specified destination, whether it's your warehouse or fulfillment center. Final delivery confirmation ensures your products arrive safely and on schedule. Our shipping cost optimization can reduce logistics expenses by up to 30%. Bulk shipping advantages are passed directly to our clients through volume discounts. Our technology platform integrates all logistics functions into one easy-to-use interface. Mobile access means you can manage your shipments from anywhere in the world. Dedicated logistics support ensures any shipping questions are answered quickly. Proactive problem resolution keeps your shipments moving smoothly. Thousands of successful deliveries prove our logistics expertise. Client satisfaction with our logistics services exceeds 98%. Yansourcing isn't just a service provider, we're your long-term partner in China. As your business grows, we scale our support to match your evolving needs. Our basic tier offers essential sourcing services starting at just 3% commission. Pro tier includes comprehensive quality control and production oversight for 5 up to 9% commission. Custom packages are designed for unique projects requiring specialized attention and support. Enterprise solutions provide dedicated teams for large-scale importing operations. Getting started begins with a free consultation to understand your specific needs. We create a detailed project plan with clear timelines and milestones. You'll be assigned a dedicated bilingual specialist who becomes your point person in China. Communication channels are established for regular updates and quick responses to questions. Your first project begins with identifying and vetting suitable suppliers for your product. Sample ordering allows you to evaluate quality and make informed decisions before production. Our client success rate exceeds 95% because we invest time in understanding your business. Over 80% of our clients return for additional projects, proving our value proposition. Industry recognition confirms our position as a leading China sourcing company. Sourcing experts consistently recommend Yansourcing for reliable China importing. Start with a risk-free consultation to explore how we can help your specific project. Test our services with a small order to experience our quality and reliability firsthand. Visit yansourcing.com to learn more about our services and request a consultation. Email us at info@yansourcing.com for immediate assistance with your sourcing needs. Transform your importing experience from stressful uncertainty to confident success. Join the thousands of businesses that have grown with Yansourcing as their China partner. Gain a competitive advantage through superior sourcing, quality, and cost management. Maximize profits through reduced costs, improved quality, and faster time to market. We grow with you, expanding our support as your business reaches new markets and product categories. Innovation support helps you stay ahead of market trends with new product development. Don't wait another day to transform your importing process. Your import success story starts with one decision: choosing the right partner. Contact Yansourcing today and discover how we can help you import from China successfully. Your successful importing journey begins with Yansourcing.